Hey there, adventurers and future homeowners. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to the hidden gem of Lake City, Colorado. Imagine waking up to the serene beauty of Lake San Cristobal, the second largest natural lake in Colorado. Whether you're into fishing, kayaking, or just soaking up the stunning alpine views, this place has it all. For the adventure junkies, the Alpine Loop is a must-do. This 63-mile scenic byway takes you through some of the most breathtaking landscapes and historic mining towns, perfect for off-road enthusiasts and those who love a good hike. But let's talk about your potential new home at 1240 Black Bear Hill. This charming house just had a $45,000 price decrease, now listed at $750,000. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 3/4 bathrooms, and a cozy 1-car garage. Sitting on 1 acre of land, it offers plenty of space for outdoor activities and even has a full RV spot with hookups. The best part? The downstairs comes with a separate entrance and kitchen, making it ideal for potential rental income or hosting guests. Imagine the possibilities. And you'll love the sun porch, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee while taking in the mountain views. So if you're looking for a blend of outdoor adventure and a cozy, potentially profitable home, Lake City is calling your name. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to live in one of Colorado's most beautiful towns. Contact me, Kelsey Loftus, at 970-784-6768 to see this home today. Your adventure awaits.